Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. I'm Sandy and I'm so happy that you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a glam side table from a couple of Dollar Tree waste baskets. And the special features of this table is that it has storage and lights up at night. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of the materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. We will need an extra large clear plastic round bowl. If you can't find a clear one, you can also opt for a colored one and simply spray paint it white or silver. We will also need 2 white wired waste baskets, a round mirror, a silver or white charger plate, several packs of silver plastic spoons, and some loose flat back clear round acrylic gems. My gems are from Hobby Lobby. We will also need a string of silver beaded necklace and some silver rhinestone ribbon, which I found on Amazon. Finally, for a light source, we will need a battery operated LED push light. And as per many of my DIY projects, we will need some Fix-All and some hot glue. My glue gun was purchased from Amazon. To begin, we will start with embellishing the clear round plastic bowl by using some hot glue to adhere a trim of silver rhinestone ribbon on the top outer edge of the bowl. Once the bowl is embellished, set it aside. Next up is to take the silver plastic spoons and break off the round part from the arm part. Set the arm parts aside for a future project, as we will only be using the round part of the spoons for this project. We will need a total of 62 spoons, which works out to just under 3 packs, since Dollar Tree sells them 24 in a pack. Once you have 62 round parts of the spoon broken out, start embellishing each with some of the loose flat back acrylic gems. For my spoons, I am applying 3 medium gems down the center and 3 smaller gems on either side. Each of the gems should be glued to the convex part of the spoon with some hot glue. The convex part is the part of the spoon that rounds outwards. Once you have embellished these spoons, take the round mirror and remove the frame of the mirror. Set the frame aside for a future project, as we will only need the mirror itself to adhere to the top face of the charger plate. And around the mirror, we use some hot glue to adhere a string of silver beaded necklace to form a border around the mirror. Then we adhere each of the spoon parts to the rest of the charger plate. Once done, your charger plate should look something like this. Look how stunning this plate looks. This will become the tabletop for our side table. Next, turn the plate upside down and remove the backing from the LED push button light. It comes with some self-adhesive and can be applied directly to the center back of the charger plate. Also, don't forget the light requires 3 AAA batteries, which you can also purchase from Dollar Tree. Now to build the body of the side table. This, I would say, was the most challenging part of the project. As I wanted to make sure that everything was glued together evenly so the table would not be lopsided. To ensure a steady table, I used a mini level which I found at the dollar store to help me determine the positioning of the baskets. The first step in building out the body of the table is to take the round clear plastic bowl and set it upside down. Then take one of the waste baskets and turn it upside down and use some Fix-All and hot glue to adhere it to the bowl. Use a level to make sure the wastebasket is standing straight on top of the bowl. You may need to adjust the basket a few times while gluing it down to the bowl until it's perfectly level. Then place the second wastebasket right side up on top of the first wastebasket. Use some Fix-All and glue to adhere the two wastebaskets together. Once the wastebaskets are set in place, take some of the rhinestone ribbon and use some hot glue to adhere it to the wastebaskets to cover the seam between the two wastebaskets where they are glued together. The final step is to place the charger plate on top of the wastebasket. No need to glue it down because you will want access to the LED light as well as the storage area. And there you have it. Our Glam side table is complete. Look how beautiful it is. This side table stands just under 21 inches and is perfect beside a chair or a couch. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.